All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So this is 60 frames per second in 4K on the Galaxy Note 9. Now, the Galaxy Note 9 does not have any kind of image stabilization at the 4K 60 frames per second setting, so I won't do a lot of moving around and things like that. I will pan a little bit, as you can see here, to give you some idea. Take a look at the trees and things like that. But I actually think this is absolutely gorgeous. I will compare this. Let me apologize for the windy day, because it is a windy day out here. But you get to see how the noise canceling microphones work. But I will apologize for that wind, because I'm pretty sure it's loud. But I will compare this next to the iPhone X 60 frames per second 4K. I've always liked 60 frames per second 4K. If only I could get the right camera, mirrorless camera or DSLR that can shoot 60 frames per second and 4K, I would probably do 4K 60 FPS for all of my videos. But I don't want to use a cell phone for that because, you know, cell phones, they do well in certain lightings, but I don't think they'll ever match up to a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. No matter what the OEMs tell you, Samsung, Apple, HTC, or whoever they are, I just don't feel like a cell phone can match a DSLR, because obviously you have more lenses you can put on. So just catching different things going around here. A little bit of an extended look. We'll pan down a little bit. Through the viewfinder, folks, this is absolutely beautiful. I mean, I have a lot of cameras, and you just look at how fast it focuses for the 60 frames per second. I know the 1080p 60 frames per second has trouble focusing a lot. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at the wind blowing there. This is definitely an extended look with the 4K on the Galaxy Note 9. It is just beautiful out here. I will give you a sample of 1080p and 1440p as well. There is a 5-minute limit on 60 frames per second 4K recording. Just in case someone asked that in the video, I know people will ask. So at the 2-minute and 25-second mark, that is when I'm making that statement. There is a 5-minute limit on the 4K recording. This is absolutely just gorgeous, though. I mean, it's just crazy. This will be a direct upload to YouTube, because I don't want to edit the footage at all. I just want to give it to you. So yes, extended look, 4K 60 FPS. Let me know how the microphone sounds, everything. Let's catch another car going by. What do you guys think? Does Samsung has the killer camera, top dog, best of the best, #1? Leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to give you more videos. Take care.